Come experience luxurious living in this beautiful corner suite at Charisma Condos. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 9-foot ceilings, impressive upgrades, and incredible northeast unobstructed views for miles. Welcome to 9000 Jane Street, Suite 2124. You're going to love it. Come on in, let me show you around. The spacious living room features expansive windows and a walkout to the well-sized balcony. The modern kitchen has upgraded quartz countertops, full-size stainless steel appliances, and an upgraded and expanded island which doubles as a dining room. The spacious primary bedroom has a double closet and incredible upgrades in the 4-piece ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom is well-sized with a double closet and large windows. Indulge in top-notch amenities including a 2-story grand lobby, concierge, gym, and an outdoor pool. A superb location with easy access to major highways, Vaughan Mills Shopping Centre, transit, restaurants, schools, and Canada's Wonderland. It's a beauty. Don't miss it.